Hi, I'm your friend from YoYoGames.com, and I'm going to teach you the basics of writing codes on GameMaker. Now, writing codes is a lot harder than doing drag and drop actions, but in fact, it opens thousands of more possibilities to use GameMaker also. So forget drag and drop, do the code. Now, first of all, we want to create a new object, obviously. We're going to call it OBMessage. No way, OBMessage? Why? Well, I'm going to teach you why, and you're going to learn greatly. First of all, here's when we tell you the game plan here. We're going to create a message that asks the player, "Hello, what is your name, Luke?" And he's going to be like, "My name is Luke." Or whatever his name is. It's really what he types in, really. So, we're going to need to use a create event, because we're going to need to create a variable that stores that name. Stores that name? But how? Now, Luke. I'll teach you later on, okay? Okay. What you do is you need to execute code, and you need to come up with two curly brackets. You always want to put a curly brackets around your codes, or you'll be sorry. I promise. Now, first of all, we want to use global dot. Global remembers variables through the whole entire game, but don't make the same name as it, or you'll be pissed with the effects. Yeah, we're gonna call it global.name. Now, it doesn't have to be global.name. It could be global.cat, but that is just weird. So we're gonna call it the global.name. Actually, yeah, we're gonna call it global.name. Now, if really we could just call it name, but that means it'll only be remembered for the object. There's also another thing called local.name. Now, if we use local, it'll be also remembered for the object, but really, it just means the two same things, but local can be used for different things too. Now, also, what if we put var name? That just means it's just used in that code. Nothing special. Makes me sad. Okay, you're going to need to learn something about strings. Strings always want to be kept inside these quotations marks and hello, how are you doing? Also, we're going to set global.name equal to a string. That's right. We're going to say equal to string. Equal is pretty much the same thing as setting it to something, you know? Like, I set my cat as a dog, so now my cat's a dog. That was a really bad example, do not take that, but we're going to set it equal to a string. Now, you want to put a semicolon at the end of each code, except for the what-if codes. Then you're going to get pissing effects. But global.name is equal to a string. Now, reason why we're not putting text here, because we're going to set it equal to an empty string first. That's right, an empty string first. Okay, now we got our global.name created. We're going to do room start, because first we got to create the message at the beginning of the game. So we're going to say, we're going to have to get the string from them. Now, we're going to say global.name is equal to get string. Get string? Whoa. Okay. Now, if you look down here, it says get string parentheses. I don't know how to say that, sorry. And it says str stands for string, comma, definition. String is going to be what they ask as the player. Definition is going to be what they type in. Now, since we're saying global.name set as, which is the equal sign, we're going to set it as the definition. That's what it'll do. It'll set the definition to global.name. So we're going to say quotation marks. Hello, dumb idiot. What is your fellow name? Oh my gosh, I spelled idiot wrong. I am an idiot. Okay, then we need to put comma separating which function we're using first, and empty string. The reason why we do empty string is because it's just gonna be empty when he types in the things. But really, we can say nothing and it'll just use backspace to get rid of it. Also, look, I put the semicolon there. Do not forget that or I'll come after you. Also, enter. We're going to bring that get string the accent. We're going to say show underscore message. And we're going to put that variable inside that message. Now, global.name is a string, but it won't recognize the variable if you put it in quotation marks. So we're going to do it in this different way. But first of all, we're going to create the message. Hello. Now, first of all, we put a space there to separate the name from it. Okay, here's what we're going to say. We're going to do plus because we're adding another string. And it's going to say global.name, adding that name to the message. Now put a space at the beginning first so the name's separated from the words. And then we're going to say hello, global.name, you are a mother. Just kidding. I'm a Mormon, I do not use that kind of language. You are a cool, dumb idiot. Well, idiot. Yeah! Now, first of all, we're going to go see if this worked. Because if it didn't, we'll be really pissed. Now, first of all, we need to go put the object inside the room. Or we'll be pissed if we don't. And I do not like getting pissed. Trust me. Now, we're going to play the game. We're going to play the game. Yes, we are. And, uh-oh. We got an error. This is the first example of an error. Let's see what we did wrong. Aha! See here? I forgot the other plus. You need 2 plus signs. Now, in the variable you want to say hello string plus global.name plus another string, or it'll just get confused. Now it should work. I wish this would load faster because it's really pissing me off. Hello, some idiot. What is your fellow name? Oh my gosh, that's really offensive, but I will tell you my name. MUDD. Enter. Hello, Mud. You are cool, dumb idiot. Wow, I feel good. Okay, guys, that's my first tutorial. My future tutorials will be a lot more advanced. If you want to play my games, just go to my username at yoyugames.com and you got 7 to play. That's right. And we're out.